Most people are damaging their kidneys every day without even knowing it. By the time symptoms show up, it's often too late. But here's the good news. You can fight back naturally, starting today. There are powerful foods scientifically proven to help reverse kidney damage, reduce inflammation, flush out toxins, and heal your kidneys from within. In today's video, we'll uncover the top 12 superfoods that can rescue your kidneys before it's too late. These foods can lower creatinine levels, reduce protein in urine, and protect you from complete kidney failure. If you act now, don't ignore the early warning signs. Fatigue, swelling, dark urine, high blood pressure, all could be screaming that your kidneys are crying for help. Give your body the healing it deserves. Stick around because some of these foods might already be in your kitchen, and you're about to see how to use them the right way. Let's start the video. Please subscribe our channel, like, share, and comments. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries may be small, but they are packed with incredible power. These little berries are loaded with anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that give them their rich blue color and help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two major culprits behind kidney damage. Blueberries are also an excellent source of vitamin C, which boosts immune health, and fiber, which supports digestion and helps control blood sugar levels, reducing strain on the kidneys. Studies show that a diet rich in blueberries can help lower blood pressure and protect blood vessels, both critical factors for maintaining strong kidney function. Adding a handful of blueberries to your daily routine is a delicious and simple way to support overall kidney health. 2. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a fantastic food choice for supporting kidney health. They are low in potassium, making them safe for individuals with kidney concerns, while being rich in essential vitamins like A, C, and B6. Vitamin A supports immune function and vision, while vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Vitamin B6 plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy metabolism and nerve function. The vibrant red color of these peppers is a sign of their high antioxidant content, which helps cleanse the blood, fight inflammation, and reduce strain on the kidneys. Adding red bell peppers to your meals is a simple and delicious way to nourish and protect your kidneys naturally. 3. Garlic. Garlic has earned its title as nature's antibiotic. Packed with allicin, a powerful sulfur compound, garlic delivers strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that are crucial for kidney repair. Inflammation and high blood pressure are two major enemies of kidney health, and garlic targets both. Research shows that allicin helps relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and reduce oxidative stress, easing the burden on your kidneys. Garlic also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, protecting the kidneys from infections and supporting overall immune strength. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or taken as a supplement, adding garlic to your daily routine is a smart, natural step toward stronger, healthier kidneys. 4. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a powerful vegetable for supporting kidney health. As a cruciferous vegetable, it's loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, and beneficial plant compounds. Its high vitamin C content acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting kidney cells from oxidative damage. The fiber in cauliflower supports digestion and helps remove toxins from the body, easing the burden on the kidneys. Additionally, cauliflower contains anti-inflammatory compounds such as indoles and glucosinolates, which promote natural detoxification processes. Its low potassium content makes it an excellent choice for people managing kidney conditions. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to salads, cauliflower is a delicious way to boost kidney health naturally. 5. Apples. You've heard the saying, and it holds true, especially when it comes to protecting your kidneys. Apples are packed with fiber, particularly soluble fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol levels. This not only benefits heart health, but also supports your kidneys by reducing the strain that cholesterol buildup can cause. Beyond fiber, apples are rich in powerful antioxidants like quercetin and vitamin C. These compounds fight off free radicals and reduce inflammation, protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress and long-term damage. Apples also contain pectin, a type of fiber that helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body, easing the detoxification load on your kidneys. Low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, apples are a kidney-friendly snack perfect for almost any diet, including those managing chronic kidney disease. Crisp, refreshing, and nourishing, an apple a day truly can help keep kidney problems away. 6. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, powerful nutrients known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to kidney damage, and incorporating these fish into your diet can help protect your kidneys from further scarring. Omega-3s also play a significant role in lowering blood pressure, a key factor in maintaining healthy kidney function. High blood pressure can strain and damage the kidneys over time, but regular consumption of fatty fish may help reduce this risk. Additionally, omega-3s can improve blood lipid profiles by lowering triglycerides, further supporting heart and kidney health. Choosing wild-caught varieties when possible maximizes the benefits, as they tend to have higher nutrient content and fewer contaminants. Including fatty fish in your meals 2 to 3 times a week can be a simple step toward better kidney protection. 7. Cranberries. Cranberries are widely known for their positive effects on urinary health. Their unique phytonutrients, particularly proanthocyanidins, prevent harmful bacteria, like E. coli, from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract. This action helps reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if left untreated, can lead to kidney damage over time. Regular consumption of cranberries, whether fresh, dried, or in juice form, has been shown to promote a healthier urinary system. By minimizing bacterial growth and infection, cranberries play a key role in preventing complications that could negatively impact kidney health. Their antioxidant-rich profile also supports overall kidney function, making them a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is often referred to as liquid gold, and for good reason. Rich in oleic acid, a heart-healthy monounsaturated fat, and packed with polyphenols, it's a potent anti-inflammatory agent. These properties help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can contribute to kidney damage over time. One of the best aspects of olive oil is its minimal potassium content, making it a safe choice for those managing kidney health, especially for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Additionally, the polyphenols in olive oil support overall kidney function and may even reduce the progression of kidney disease. Incorporating olive oil into your diet, particularly as a replacement for unhealthy fats, offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance kidney health while supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. 9. Watermelon. Watermelon is an excellent fruit for natural hydration and detoxification, making it a perfect choice for kidney health. Composed of about 90% water, it helps keep the body hydrated and supports kidney function by promoting the elimination of waste products. The fruit is rich in citrulline, a powerful amino acid that enhances blood flow and boosts the kidney's ability to flush out toxins. By improving circulation, citrulline helps reduce the strain on the kidneys, allowing them to work more efficiently. Watermelon also contains essential vitamins and antioxidants, such as vitamin C and lycopene, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. The natural hydration provided by watermelon, combined with its detoxifying properties, makes it an ideal food to support kidney health and overall well-being. Incorporating watermelon into your diet can be a simple and refreshing way to support your kidneys and enhance your body's detoxification processes. 10. Cabbage. Cabbage is a kidney-friendly vegetable, particularly beneficial for those managing kidney health due to its low potassium content. This makes it a great choice for individuals on a kidney-friendly diet, as excess potassium can burden the kidneys. Additionally, cabbage is rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health and blood clotting. Its high vitamin C content helps support the immune system, promoting overall health. The vegetable is also packed with insoluble fiber, which aids in digestive health and helps in cleansing the blood by supporting kidney filtration processes. Regular consumption of cabbage can contribute to reducing inflammation and promoting detoxification. Its nutrient profile makes it an ideal addition to a kidney-healthy diet, helping with the management of kidney function and offering anti-inflammatory benefits, which can be vital for those with chronic kidney disease, CKD, or at risk of kidney issues. 11. Strawberries. Strawberries are a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. These vibrant berries are known for their ability to combat oxidative stress, which can help protect cells from damage. The high vitamin C content supports immune health and enhances the body's ability to absorb iron, while the fiber aids digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. In terms of kidney health, strawberries offer protective benefits due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in kidney damage, and the antioxidants in strawberries, such as anthocyanins, play a role in reducing this inflammation. Furthermore, their potassium content is moderate, making them a kidney-friendly choice for individuals with kidney disease. Incorporating strawberries into your diet not only supports overall health, but also provides valuable nutrients that can help maintain healthy kidney function. A delicious and versatile fruit, strawberries can be enjoyed in smoothies, salads, or as a simple snack. 12th, turmeric. Turmeric, often hailed as one of the most powerful natural healers, contains curcumin, its active compound with remarkable healing properties. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory agent, making it especially beneficial for kidney health. Kidney disease is often driven by chronic inflammation, and curcumin targets this root cause, helping to reduce the inflammation that damages kidney tissues. Its antioxidant properties further support kidney health by neutralizing harmful free radicals that can lead to oxidative stress, another contributor to kidney damage. Studies suggest that curcumin may also help regulate kidney function by reducing levels of inflammatory markers and promoting healthier kidney tissues. Additionally, curcumin has been shown to improve blood circulation, which is crucial for proper kidney function. Including turmeric in your diet, whether through food or supplements, can support kidney health and protect against further damage caused by inflammation and oxidative stress. Quick, important tips. When it comes to maintaining kidney health, small changes in your diet and lifestyle can make a significant difference. Opting for organic foods when possible helps avoid harmful pesticides that may put extra stress on the kidneys. Additionally, drinking enough water is essential for flushing toxins from the body, but it's important to maintain balance. Too much water can strain the kidneys. Reducing salt, sugar, and processed foods can prevent kidney damage and promote overall health. These items can contribute to high blood pressure, diabetes, and kidney disease, so moderating your intake is crucial. Lastly, always consult with your doctor before making major dietary changes, especially if you have chronic kidney disease, CKD. Your healthcare provider can help you tailor a diet plan that supports your kidney function and overall well-being, ensuring you're taking the right steps for long-term health.